Well, nothing's changed and it's today. Maybe it's better tomorrow. And now is now, and this is pain. I'll find something for now to numb this aching time. It won't let me down. It will take you down to a place where I can't live without you. These swollen eyes have much to say, too much to listen this early, and still this hopeful girl don't look so